Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should start by opening the document in print layout or draft so you can target the page precisely. Use the navigation pane to see page thumbnails or headings. This helps you confirm the exact content to remove. Next, click inside the page and drag to select its full contents, or press Ctrl+G, enter the page number, and choose Page, then Go to jump and select. Once selected, you'll be ready to remove the page cleanly without affecting adjacent content. After selecting the page content, press Delete or Backspace to remove visible text and images. This handles most cases. If the page persists, turn on Show/hide the paragraph mark to reveal empty paragraphs, manual page breaks, or section breaks that force extra pages. Delete those marks carefully. If it's a section break, decide whether to merge formatting before deleting. Once done, check spacing and header/footer links so the layout remains consistent. And if a page still won't go away, it's usually due to a section break or differing page setup. Change the section break type or delete it. Be aware this can alter headers, footers, or margins. Make sure to relink headers to previous if needed. Once the break is managed, recheck print layout and navigation pane to confirm removal. Troubleshooting tip: if formatting gets corrupted, copy the remaining content, not the blank page, into a new document to preserve layout and drop the stubborn page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.